Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code on Temu app. Now let's dive right in. Now to scan the QR code on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of options where it says home, categories, you and the cart. Will be required to tap on the home button, which is at the bottom middle section of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the coupons and offers option available for us. Tap on the coupons and offers option, and then this kind of interface will appear. Now you need to know a thing, that is, guys, Temu has removed the facility that we would be able to scan the QR code on Temu app itself, but from over here you'll be able to enter the code available on your gift card or your coupon. Over here at the top of the screen you can see where it says the enter coupon code. Tap on there and enter the code available on your card or your coupon, and after entering your code, guys, tap on the apply button at the right side of that box over here where I'm tapping, and that coupon code will be applied on your Temu account. And that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to redeem the code, but you will not be able to scan it. So with that being said, guys, this is a method to input your net amount of that coupon code or your gift code on Temu without scanning it. So basically, guys, this is a type of scan. So this is how you'll be able to redeem the code on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.